Today we got 3 options of drying your clothing or cloths. 1, a dehumidifier. 2, a tumble dryer, or just hanging them straight on the line. You could say the tumble dryer. Ideally, you can put everything straight into the tumble dryer. You can preset it on a low. Also, you can collect your water, especially on a condensing model. Now, generally speaking, the tumble dryer is going to take you around about 30 minutes to dry clothing, and that's a small amount. And cost you an absolute fortune on electric. And the Meaco will take 30 minutes the same, and at half the cost. And let's see how easy it is to use. Now for drying your clothes, all we need to do is press it on. Now automatically it starts off at low fan. Once you press on, and this is a little clothing sign, press that on there and it automatically goes on to high. All right, and all this does then is blow out cool air all the time. And what happens is on the back here, all it does on the back here is suck in all the moisture from the room, and especially off the clothes, and that goes through into the filter. Then it goes through and inside here, so your air comes in through here and blows out up here. And because this is like a refrigerator, it sort of has a defrost mode. It condenses the water and then it all flows down in this little container like that. So when she gets full, all you need to do is empty it. So that is the most economical way to dry your clothing, really. Though it takes the same amount of time to do both, this uses less fuel than the traditional tumble dryer. But nothing beats hanging them up on the line. And that's the cloths hanging on the line, which is free because we're not using any electric, but actually you're better off taking them outside in the nice warm air. But unfortunately, wintertime, you're really stuck, aren't you? The best bit about the tumble dryer is once you've put them in, you've got to remind yourself to take them out and actually fold them up straight away when they're nice and warm. Otherwise, they don't fold nicely. And if you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share. And we'll see you again very shortly on Auto Gleam Truths. Laters!